Swelling in your legs and stiff joints can make every step feel like a challenge. If you've ever found yourself wincing as you stand up from a chair or struggling to keep up with family walks, you're not alone. Joint pain and swelling aren't just a nuisance, they can truly impact your quality of life, robbing you of your favorite activities and even your independence. But what if the solution to stronger legs and more flexible joints wasn't locked away in a prescription bottle or hidden behind the doors of a physical therapy clinic? What if, instead, the secret started right at your kitchen table? Today, we're exploring 9 collagen-rich foods that can help you say goodbye to swollen legs, aching knees, and stiff joints. Collagen is the glue that holds your body together. It's the most abundant protein in your body, providing strength and elasticity to your joints, tendons, ligaments, and skin. When you don't have enough, you might notice more aches, less flexibility, and even slower healing. But the good news is, you can boost your body's collagen supply naturally by choosing the right foods. Let's count down the top 9 foods you should add to your diet and see why they work so well for your legs and joints. Starting off at number 9, nuts and seeds. Don't underestimate these tiny powerhouses. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all loaded with nutrients your joints crave. They're especially rich in minerals like zinc and copper, which your body uses to build and maintain collagen. Zinc acts as a catalyst for collagen synthesis, while copper helps lay down the collagen scaffolding that keeps your joints strong. Many nuts and seeds also contain healthy fats, including omega-3s, which fight inflammation, a major culprit in swelling and joint pain. Sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or simply snack on a handful each day. Soaking your nuts overnight helps your body absorb their nutrients more easily and makes them easier to digest. Remember, even a small daily serving can make a big difference for your joints in the long run. At number 8, leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula. While plants don't contain collagen themselves, leafy greens are rich in vitamin C, a vitamin you absolutely need to make collagen in your own body. Vitamin C acts as the spark that turns amino acids into collagen fibers, helping to repair and renew the tissues that keep your joints flexible and pain-free. These greens also deliver chlorophyll, a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that protects your existing collagen from damage. Plus, leafy greens offer magnesium to relax muscles and vitamin K to help maintain strong bones and joint cartilage. Add a big salad to your daily meal plan, blend spinach into your morning smoothie, or sauté kale with olive oil and garlic for a double boost of flavor and nutrition. The more color you add to your plate, the better your joints will feel. Coming in at number 7, garlic. Garlic is more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It's packed with sulfur and taurine, 2 nutrients that help maintain and protect your collagen. Sulfur is a key building block for strong, stretchy collagen fibers, while taurine acts as a powerful antioxidant, fighting the free radicals that can break down collagen and increase swelling. Garlic is also famous for calming inflammation throughout the body, which can be especially helpful if you struggle with swollen legs or sore knees. Crush fresh garlic into salad dressings, roast the cloves for a mellow flavor, or make a soothing garlic tea. For a real anti-inflammatory punch, try pairing garlic with turmeric. The two work together to boost your natural defenses and protect your joints from everyday wear and tear. At number 6, berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are some of the most potent joint protectors you can eat. They're loaded with antioxidants, which shield your collagen from damage, and vitamin C to power your body's collagen production. Anthocyanins, the compounds that give berries their vibrant color, have been shown in research to reduce joint pain and inflammation. Whether you toss a handful into your yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them as a snack, berries are a delicious natural way to help your joints stay limber and pain-free. And because they're low in sugar and high in fiber, they're good for your heart and waistline, too. Number 5, citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are classic sources of vitamin C, but they offer more than just a tangy taste. Vitamin C is absolutely essential for turning the foods you eat into new collagen fibers, which means your joints can repair and renew themselves more efficiently. Citrus fruits also contain flavonoids, plant compounds that reduce inflammation and protect your joints from oxidative stress. Don't overlook the zest. The colorful outer peel is even richer in antioxidants than the flesh. Grate some lemon or orange zest into your salads, smoothies, or baked dishes for an extra nutritional kick. A glass of fresh squeezed orange juice in the morning or a few grapefruit segments with lunch can help keep your joints and your skin smooth and resilient. Number 4, egg whites. Egg whites are a fantastic, budget-friendly source of proline, a key amino acid your body needs to make collagen. While they don't contain collagen themselves, egg whites provide the raw materials your body uses to build it. They're also high in protein, which helps repair muscles and supports overall joint health. Whether you prefer your eggs scrambled, in an omelet, or whipped into a smoothie, egg whites are easy to add to any meal. They're low in calories, contain no fat or cholesterol, and can help you feel full and satisfied, making them a smart choice for anyone looking to manage weight and boost joint recovery at the same time. Number 3, fish skin and scales. Here's a collagen source most people overlook. The skin and scales of fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, are full of marine collagen, which is known for its rapid absorption and powerful effects on joint and skin health. Marine collagen closely resembles the types found in your cartilage and connective tissues, helping to cushion joints and support flexibility. Eating fish with the skin on delivers not just collagen, but also omega-3 fatty acids to further reduce inflammation. If you're not a fan of eating fish skin, consider making a fish broth by simmering the skin and bones for several hours, a nourishing base for soups and stews that supports joint health from the inside out. Number 2, chicken skin and cartilage. Often discarded, chicken skin and cartilage are actually rich in collagen types D2 and Th3, which are vital for joint repair and cushioning. When slow cooked, especially in soups or stews, the collagen breaks down into gelatin, making it easier for your body to absorb. Gelatin supports joint flexibility and can help ease pain and swelling. Traditional chicken broth, made from bones, skin, and cartilage, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for joint aches and swelling. Try simmering these parts of the chicken in water with some herbs and vegetables for several hours to create a nourishing, collagen-rich broth. This simple practice can provide daily support for your joints and connective tissues. And at number 1, bone broth. The ultimate collagen powerhouse. Bone broth is made by slowly simmering animal bones, beef, chicken, fish, or even pork, along with connective tissue for 12 to 24 hours. This lengthy process breaks down the collagen into gelatin and releases vital amino acids like glycine and proline, which are the building blocks your body uses to repair and rebuild joints. Bone broth is also rich in minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all essential for healthy bones and joints. Many people who drink bone broth regularly report less swelling, improved flexibility, and a noticeable boost in skin elasticity. It's easy to make at home. Just add bones, water, and your favorite vegetables and herbs to a large pot, and simmer slowly. Sip it as a comforting drink, or use it as the base for soups and sauces to reap its joint-supporting benefits. Beyond just joint health, collagen plays a key role in maintaining youthful, glowing skin, thicker hair, and even gut health. By focusing on these 9 foods, you're not only helping your legs and joints, you're supporting your entire body from the inside out. Let's quickly recap these collagen-rich superstars. Nuts and seeds supply minerals like zinc and copper, essential for collagen creation and maintenance, while omega-3s fight inflammation. Leafy greens provide vitamin C and antioxidants to spark collagen production and protect against damage. Garlic delivers sulfur and taurine to strengthen and maintain existing collagen, along with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Berries offer antioxidants and vitamin C to shield collagen and promote joint recovery. Citrus fruits bring a double punch of vitamin C and flavonoids, supporting collagen synthesis and reducing inflammation. Egg whites are packed with proline, giving your body the raw materials needed for new collagen. Fish skin and scales deliver fast-absorbing marine collagen and omega-3s for comprehensive joint support. Chicken skin and cartilage are rich in collagen types 2 and 3, nourishing and cushioning joints. And bone broth stands as the ultimate source, providing multiple collagen types and minerals for overall joint, bone, and skin health. Incorporating these foods into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Start by adding a handful of nuts to your breakfast, a serving of leafy greens to lunch, or a cup of homemade broth with dinner. Little by little, these simple changes can lead to less swelling, more flexible joints, and a stronger, healthier you. Remember, your body's collagen supply naturally declines as you age, often starting as early as your 30s. That's why it's so important to give your body the building blocks it needs to repair and regenerate. Instead of expensive creams or complicated supplements, let your food be your medicine. And while these foods can make a big difference, always listen to your body. If you notice severe or persistent swelling, pain, or other symptoms, check in with your healthcare provider to rule out other causes. The journey to healthier legs and joints starts with what you put on your plate. With these 9 collagen-rich foods, you can take meaningful steps toward a future with less stiffness, more movement, and a greater sense of well-being, one delicious bite at a time.